have a quick run through what I intend to cover in this particular session. So first of all, it clearly is here to give you a deeper understanding of the context of data visualization and its use. I'm going to really drill into how to get better at deciding which chart formats, which visual displays are the most appropriate, depending on the data you have and the data story that you want to tell. And we'll also have a little look at how AI can also help in that process. I think unless you've been sleeping under a rock, you clearly are aware of the power of various AI tools today to do lots of things for us, and certainly data visualization is no different. We'll also look at elements of design and presentation, particularly how do we avoid the dreaded dashboard clutter. Really also giving you kind of techniques to allow you to focus your users' attention where you want it. Ultimately, all this is to help you think more as though you were a data designer. Perhaps most importantly, how you can tell your story with data. So whether you use ChatGPT, whether you're using your own judgment, it's just worth, I think, spending a little bit of time looking at just some of the more common visualization formats that we might choose to tell our data stories. At the most simple level, scorecards are a very, very simple and yet can be a very powerful way of conveying a story. As the name suggests, it's typically where you have a single number or a single data point that you wish to kind of focus in on. And quite often with that single data point, you're tracking how it potentially kind of changes over time or how it compares, say, to a previous time period. So scorecards, very often, if you have to just cherry pick one particular format, that is one to consider. We'll look a little later when we're looking at designing, say, an overall dashboard. Are there things to consider in terms of not just the overall types of charts you're going to use to visualize, but where should they sit on the actual dashboard? And very often when you're looking at scorecards, then that sort of top left-hand side of the screen is quite a good start point, particularly if the audience that you're sharing the information with don't have much time. You really want to kind of convey the essence of your data narrative as quickly as possible. Then the utilization of scorecards is very, very important.